Hi, probate attorney Scott Grossman here, and today I'm answering the question, when is ancillary probate needed in California? Ancillary probate is a legal term that's unfamiliar to most people, so here's what it means. If somebody has died and they live somewhere outside of California, let's use Washington State as an example. If a person died in Washington State and they owned real estate in California, there will be a need for an ancillary or a secondary probate. And the reason for that is actually pretty straightforward. Wherever a person is living right before they died is the place where probate has to occur. The reason you may need to do a second probate in California if the decedent lives somewhere outside of California is when it comes to transferring real property. If the person who owned it held it in their name rather than in the name of a trust, you would need the dead person's signature to convey good title to a new buyer. Now, obviously, that can't happen. So the substitute for that is opening probate. But a court outside the state of California can't issue an order concerning California real estate. So you need to open real estate here in California in order to get a court order, either transferring that property to the beneficiaries of the probate estate or allowing the sale of that property and then having the proceeds of the sale going to the beneficiaries. So let me give you an example of this. Let's assume John Smith lives in Seattle and John dies. When John dies, he's got a bunch of bank accounts, he's got his home in Seattle, and he also has a vacation home in Palm Springs. The probate that happens in Seattle is going to be the primary probate and is going to dispose of nearly all of John's estate. But that house in Palm Springs can't be dealt with out of Seattle. So the executor of the estate is going to need counsel down in California to open up probate in Palm Springs to get that order concerning the Palm Springs house. And then we just carry out the terms of the will. If the will says that the money goes to certain beneficiaries or the house goes to a particular individual, that's fine. Probate goes through its normal course in California. The terms of the will are observed, and whoever's supposed to get that California property gets the California property.